Okay, as you see here, this is our another product we call dismatic switch. For this dismatic switch, uh, in China, not in China, I think in all the world, this is not so popular items, but it was very special in some countries. This country was, for example, they will go to French market. In my idea, what is French market? French market was the standard, the style before was follow France. Example, Togo, Cameroon, and some Algeria, some like this kind of country. They still speak French, even Moloccos, okay? Still speak French, and before the style for electrics, they will still use French style. So for this kind of country, I said this is French country. Most of the country what now is still in Africa. So you can see we have different type, we have different designs for this dismatic switch. I can say in China now we are the biggest factory for this dismatic switch, and we get 60% market share for this dismatic switch. Honestly to say, this volume is not big in like MCB. The volume is very small, but we are very professional, and we can pass all the tests for this dismatic switch. Okay, so now I would like to introduce these items, dismatic switch. So for dismatic switch, you can see it's a very small size. It's a very small size. It have a green button and the red button. For green button, when we push the green button, it was in the on. And when we push the red button, it will be off. So the operation is like this: on, off, on, off, on, off. So this is the operations for these items. And now this item is we are always doing 20 amperes, 380 wattage. This is the specification for these items: 20 ampere, 380 wattage. And this item now we are application in the air conditions, the fans, the TV for this kind of protections. This item you can see this on off, on off, but this item is just to have overload protections. So it was, as I said just now, it's very useful in the air conditions, in the TV protections, in the lighting protections, in the fans protections to protect the devices. And also this have 10 ampere, 15 ampere, 25 ampere, but most popular we are selling now is 20 amperes. Okay, but the wattage was 380. And you can see here we have two positions to connect the wires. To connect the wires. Two connections to connect the wires. But usually we will not use like this. This is just one part of the product. Usually we will use this panel. Okay, you can see with these items we will sell with panel. This is the panel. This is the panel. The panel size is 86 multi 56. This is the size for it. Okay. And due to our different customer requirements, the panel we also have many designs. Example, you can see this panel. This panel it was popular in the last 3 years ago, but now still selling, but not so popular. So you can see this panel. We have when it looks like soft switch, but it's different because this has different functions with soft switch. if they have overload and short circuit protections. Sorry, it's only have overload protections, but stock switch just on off. And you can see this is another panel. And now we are staining this panel with very good staining. You can see the panel. Now here have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, but this one didn't have, not have. So market think this one will be more beautiful than this one. You know, the function was same. Function was same, but just the design was different. And the material also different. This is backlight, this is backlight, and this is PC. Panel is PC. It's like stock switch. Now it's popular in PC, and it's when you install on a wall, it looks like switch. So it's very nice. And also we have different designs like this. This is another customer, and the panel was a little different because they want to make it different with others. They doing their own brand. We do OEM for them. We do his own brand. You can see this also. It's a little different, but not big difference. It's also backlights. And now we also have a latest model. It's like this one, dismatic fish. It's very close to this one. These two designs is very similar, very similar. But the button was different. The red, especially for the red button, you can see this red button on my left hand. This red button is small, and this red button was big. You know, most of the things was design different. For the function, both of them is the same. You can see these two dismatic switch. So the function was same. It's also 20 ampere and 380 wattage. With panel, size was 10, 86, multi 86. So if you from French country, if you were interested in these items, please contact with my personal contacts on the screen, and I will share you the detailed information. Also, this device was popular. This is the main product for this dismatic switch. These modular products you can use in the devices such as in the TV protections, because my size is small. You can in some electronic devices and install this inside to protection electronic devices. As I know, it was used in the for example TV, some ship on the ship. It's controlling electronics because it has functions for overload. If you want more details, you can contact with me. I will share you more information. It's also used in the electronic devices such as in the lighting systems. For example, in our room, we want to have our devices to control the lighting, everything. But you know, lighting system without overload protections. So if you install my product on the systems, it will protect your devices. So this product, until now, with panel, it's very popular in the home appliance application in the house with panel. You can see with this panel, it is very popular, used in the house to protection of air conditioning, fans, lighting, TV, etc. But without panel, this was popular installed on the devices to protection of devices. So if you were interested in this item, please contact with me. Finally, I would like to show the dismatic switch installations. So you can see we have our block box here. This box in the wall. We put this box in the wall, and then we install, put this dismatic switch inside the block box, and then we can install it, and you will see this on this dismatic switch on the wall. And also our wire, we go from here. You can go the wire from here to connection the dismatic switch, and then connect the devices which you want to protect. So it's very common items. If you were interested with this dismatic, and we will do OEM for you if the quantity was okay. Also, if you want to develop some new items, example, you want to put my dismatic switch in the socket and switch. We also can put inside to make the socket and switch with overload protection. This is a new project. So please carefully to see these items. Dismatic switch with panel, without panel. Okay, with panel, without panel. This is without panel. This is with panel. So please contact with me if you're interested in my items. Okay. Okay. So this is the first items I would like to introduce. And now I would like to introduce the next items. Before I introduce my next items, I would like to again to inform my plans. If you are in the screen, see my video. If you're interested in my items, so please contact with me in the screen context. Then I will give you more information such as quotations, price, CVM, weight, MOQ, OEM, packing, everything I will share with you. So thank you very much to listen these products introductions. And now I will go to the next products. Okay.